Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix line app not connecting to network. So to fix the line app not connecting to network, you want to start with a basic network and device troubleshooting. And if the issue persists on, you want to move on to app specific solutions. First thing first, you want to check your internet. So go to your settings, locate internet and network, and make sure to click on net internet. And here you just want to make sure to restart, reconnect, refresh. That should be able to help. Now moving on, you want to close the running application in the background completely, and once you've done that, you then want to hold on to your side button and click on the reset button. That might also be able to help. Now next, what you want to do is turn on airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it off again. This forces or this forces your device to reestablish a fresh network connections as well. Next, what you want to do is you could restart your router and modem. That means unplug your Wi-Fi router and modem and wait for about 30 seconds and plug them back in and wait for all lights to come back on before attempting to connect again. Now ensure your device system time and time zone matches your local time incorrect time as well. So for that, you just want to go to settings, and here you want to click on system, and there you have these time, so date and time. You go to the date and time section and make sure it's automatic, and that's how you should be able to fix line app not connecting to network. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.